Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y33s. In this video I'll show you how to hide Natcho. In the beginning, enter Play Store and search for Natcho app. Download it. Open and agree to terms. Now open again and switch this button. Right now you'll have to allow Natcho to display over other apps. So switch this button, you can go back to the app and switch this button again. As you can see, your Natcho is hidden. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.